Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the G4U makeup kit for women, an all-in-one makeup set with Makeup Box 001 that's designed to give you everything you need for a full face look in one sleek package. Let's dive into this beauty gem and see what it's all about. First up, the makeup box itself. It's compact, stylish, and perfect for keeping everything organized, whether you're at home or on the go. Inside, we've got an eyeshadow palette with a mix of mattes and shimmers. The shades range from everyday nudes to bold pops of color. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent, a little powdery but buildable with a good brush. Next, there's a foundation, creamy and lightweight, with solid coverage that blends out nicely for a natural finish. The primer is smooth and preps my skin beautifully, making everything last longer. Then we've got a lipstick, a creamy shade that's super wearable and stays put for hours. I'm loving this vibe. The kit also includes a set of makeup brushes, soft and functional with no shedding, great for applying powder, foundation, and eyeshadow smoothly. There's a kajal too, jet black and easy to apply. It defines my eyes in one swipe and doesn't smudge. The compact powder sets my base with a matte finish, perfect for keeping shine at bay. Oh, and the nail polish, a cute bonus that dries fast and adds a fun touch to the look. This set is marketed as an all-in-one solution, and it really delivers. It's ideal for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable kit for daily use or travel. It's not luxury, some shades could be richer, and the brush is simpler, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this G4U set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.